What if I told you the best diet for rapid weight loss is not keto, not intermittent fasting, and definitely not some secret detox tea everyone is promoting online? Imagine two people starting the exact same diet on the same day. One loses weight fast and keeps it off. The other loses weight, feels miserable, and then gains even more back. Same diet, totally different results. So what's the difference? Today, I'm going to reveal the real best diet for rapid weight loss, not based on trends or influencers, but based on how your body actually burns fat. And if you stay until the end, I'll share one simple rule that makes any diet work faster than you think. Let me tell you a short story. Meet Jason. Jason tried everything: low-carb diets, juice cleanses, skipping dinner, skipping breakfast, even starving himself on weekdays and overeating on weekends. Sometimes he lost weight quickly, and sometimes the scale dropped fast. But after a few weeks, the weight always came back. And every time it came back, it brought extra pounds with it. Jason wasn't lazy. He wasn't undisciplined. He was just following diets that were never designed to last. One day, Jason stopped asking, "What's the fastest diet?" and started asking a better question: "What diet can I actually follow without hating my life?" That single question changed everything. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Rapid weight loss does not come from a special diet name. It doesn't come from cutting carbs forever or eating at weird hours. Rapid weight loss comes from how well your diet controls three things: hunger, blood sugar spikes, and calories without making you miserable. If your diet fails at even one of these, it will fail you sooner or later. So what diet actually works best for rapid weight loss? The answer is simple and powerful: a high-protein, low-sugar, portion-controlled diet. Not extreme, not complicated, just smart. Protein keeps you full longer, so you naturally eat less without feeling hungry all day. Reducing sugar keeps your insulin levels stable, which allows your body to burn fat instead of storing it. And portion control creates the calorie deficit your body needs to lose weight without starving. Jason didn't quit carbs forever. He didn't ban bread from his life. He didn't live on salads. He simply reduced his portions, increased protein in every meal, and removed liquid calories like sugary drinks and juices. Within 2 weeks, his clothes started fitting looser. Within 4 weeks, the scale shocked him. But more importantly, he felt in control for the first time. Most people fail at weight loss because they choose diets they hate, cut calories too aggressively, or chase fast results instead of consistency. Rapid weight loss doesn't mean suffering. It means eating in a way your body understands. If your diet feels like punishment, your body will eventually fight back. But if your diet feels realistic, your body cooperates. So here's the real answer. The best diet for rapid weight loss is the one that controls hunger, controls sugar, and fits into your daily life. Because the fastest weight loss isn't the one that looks impressive for 10 days. It's the one that still works after 30. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more weight loss tips.